Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to look at the overall crypto market. We're going to look at what is going on, Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of the top other cryptos. We're also going to look at some of the biggest gainers in the last 7 days. These are cryptos that are up in the last 7 days. As you know, overall, the entire crypto market has been down, and it's been not a lot of fun to be in it, as I am with you guys as well, and to frankly cover it. So it's been a lot of movement, a lot of stuff going on, market manipulation, China-geddon, as I'm calling it, the whole China thing a week ago or so. So basically, I'm here front and center, guys, bringing you the information and just trying to keep you guys updated on what the latest and greatest is. So let's do this. Let's go take a look at what is going on with the overall crypto, etc. Drop in the comments below. Let me know what some of your favorite cryptos are. I haven't actually ever asked that before. So drop in the comments below. Just say, hey, Austin, I love this crypto, that one, and that one. Give me a couple of ideas, because what I'm looking for overall is kind of an idea of what are some of the major ones that you guys are holding. So drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. All right, here we go. We're going to take a look at the market and everything. All right, so as you can see, from the chart here, Bitcoin is down 4% in the last 24 hours, down 9% in the last 7 days. Overall, again, I did a video on this yesterday. I think firmly there's market manipulation going on here, Wyckoff method, etc. I think there's some definitely downward trend pressure here. Ethereum, I think, is being involved as well, because it can, again, as Bitcoin goes, kind of the rest follow, especially Ethereum. So when kind of Bitcoin's down, usually Ethereum is the same. There are those times when Bitcoin's down and Ethereum is kind of standing on its own. But my point is that kind of those two are the major blue chip bellwether cryptos of the overall crypto market, obviously. And so when they're both down, it tends to drag the entire crypto market down. And the entire crypto market overall is extremely down. You can see, look at all the red. I mean, it's 24 hour, 7 day. Everything is red. Oh, wow, there you go. Uniswap's up 18% in the last 7 days. Chainlink's up 7% in the last 7 days. We're going to look at this in a minute. Overall, kind of what are some of the biggest gainers that are out there. Here's the thing, guys, is that we're in a situation right now where I think a lot of money is left the overall crypto market. Look right here, the global crypto market is 1.53 trillion. Yesterday was 1.6. Okay. Now, if you kind of read it, the total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is 134 billion, which makes a 5.31% decrease. That's the overall volume. So volume has been pulled out of the crypto market. What does that mean? Money's being pulled out. Money's being pulled out and being set elsewhere right now, right? It could be going into stocks. It could be going into gold. It could be going into, any other variation on that theme. So the overall crypto market is just frankly down. There's not, I wouldn't say that confidence is lost. I would say that we're just in a downward cycle right now. We're in a, we're just in a I guess a correction, if you want to call it that. Kind of bring that over from my stock market days. But here's the thing. I would tell you, I'm looking at it as an opportunity. I'm looking at it as a buying opportunity, as an opportunity to pick up some additional bullish positions in some of the cryptos that I really, really like, right? And so I will tell you straight up, the ones that I really like are obviously I love it. I love Bitcoin, Ethereum. And if I pass one over, it doesn't mean that I don't dislike it. Okay, it just means that I may not be really intimate with that one like I am with some of the others. Cardano is absolutely one of my favorites. I like XRP, even though what's going on with the SEC and Ripple and all that kind of stuff. Still love Doge. I picked up some additional Doge coin. I still believe in kind of what's going on there and where we're at in that scenario. Polkadot, I'm starting to kind of look at a little bit on Polkadot and kind of see kind of long-term scenarios there. I'm looking at some more of their use cases and stuff like that. ICP, I'm absolutely a fan of ICP. Chainlink, I do like. Litecoin is one that I don't think gets kind of its due diligence. I don't think that's not what I meant. I don't think it doesn't get. It just is overlooked a little bit, right? Polygon, massive fan of Polygon. I really, really like Polygon. It's one of our 7-day winners, by the way. Stellar, I'm kind of starting to look at Stellar a little bit. Solana, I'm starting to look at a little bit. I have some Ethereum Classic, VeChain, and those are the top ones. So speaking of that, let's kind of look at what are some of the 7-day winners. Now, this one jumped out at me. The fact that Helium is up 44% in the last 7 days is a pretty big deal. I haven't looked at this when I resorted this in a while, guys, but 7-day up gainer, Helium 44%. If we take a look at their chart, well, this is Helium, by the way, up 18% as we saw, ranked number 60 and moving up. Look at the volume. The volume is pretty massive. I mean, it's up 141%. It's moved up 17% there. This is where you can buy it. Since I have it on the screen, I might as well just show it. You can buy it. You can pick it up on Binance mainly, obviously. So it is easy to go pick it up over there. Wallets. Let's show you the wallets. Ledger. So it works with Ledger. Ledger wallet. Okay, so the last 7 days. Let's look at 1 month. The last 1 month is kind of the similar scenario. So it's $18 right now, right? Kind of a little bit of volatility here. 7 days, I believe we kind of moved up. We've got definitely some movement up. So we're, in the last 7 days we're dipping all the way to 15, spiking to 18. I mean, there's definitely some movement going on with this one. As you can see, 24-hour lot. Look at this, 24-hour highs and lows, 15 to 23. That is a ton of movement in the crypto market in the last 24 hours. And so this is their website. This is helium.com. By the way, just FYI, you can get there by clicking right here. And they have also linked to the white paper, the communities, which is pretty cool, things like that. So you can go check out the Reddit community and things like that. But the People's Network represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless infrastructure. I thought that was it's interesting. So if you kind of look at their use case, why use them? Connect devices and collect data in ways never before possible. Fraction of cellular without the need to maintain wireless infrastructure is pretty cool. Massive coverage, largest public LoRaWAN network in the U.S. and now available in Europe. Miles of range is optimized for devices running on Helium Long-Fi. It's pretty cool. Forwarding process connectivity costs are a fraction of those associated with cellular without the restrictions. Pretty cool. So decentralized wireless coverage. Very interesting. Helium versus telcos. Connectivity costs are a fraction of those associated with cellular without restrictions. Unlike cellular with Helium companies never have to pay for SIM cards, worry about data caps, or be charged for overage fees. Very interesting. Interesting use. Wow, that's kind of cool. I didn't even know that. I don't know. Honestly, guys, I didn't know this is what they did. Very intriguing. And look at the. I mean, they are going up with a bullet, so to speak. Polygon. You guys know I am extremely bullish on Polygon. I really like them, and they're our second biggest top gainer in the last 7 days. Polygon is. Uniswap moving up 17%. Here's some that you may not be aware of. So guys, if you want to check this out and do some your own due diligence, go to CoinMarketCap and come over here and then check out. Look at this and this resort. Check out these particular charts, and then you can just resort under 7 days, and you can see kind of the winners, so to speak. Maker, that's an interesting one right there. Uniswap, as I already mentioned. Bakery token, that's interesting. Check some of these out on your own time. These are some of the ones that are absolutely up in the last 7 days. If you want to kind of flip it, the ones that are kind of down the most in the last 7 days, Waves, Terra Luna, Solana has been down, but that could be an opportunity. I'm kind of looking at that one a little bit. ICP has definitely been beaten down in the last 7 days or so. So kind of going to look at that one as well. Let's see what else. Dogecoin, we know, has been really beat up as of late. Okay, so let's get back over and kind of look at, real quickly, kind of some overall price action, kind of what's going on. So Cardano, I think absolutely is an opportunity at these levels. I'm picking up some additional Cardano as well. XRP, I've already got some. I'm probably going to stand pat on that. Might pick up just a little bit. Dogecoin's tough right now. You guys know I'm a fan of Dogecoin, but it's just kind of been gradually just bleeding down and bleeding down and bleeding down. and I want to continue to see. We got to get some movement with Coinbase and with some of the other things going on with them. We'll see how that whole thing plays out. But it's absolutely had a lot of downward pressure on it, and it's just kind of continuously been moving down and moving down. Polkadot is moved down about 13%. I do like kind of some stuff I'm seeing around Polkadot and kind of what their utility, their use case, things of that nature. Let me see if there's some others that I really want to talk about. Guys, the overall market is overall really tough right now, as we know. I think that it's going to continue to kind of be this way, probably over the weekend and probably into Monday and Tuesday. I think we just got to kind of, look at this as an opportunity. A lot of you guys dropped in the comments below or on previous videos that you guys are buying at these levels and picking up. Again, I would tell you, minimize your risk. Only put into the overall crypto market, kind of minimize if you're going to buy some speculative ones, like Shiba or Kishu or SafeMoon or whatever some of those are. Again, only put money into those that you can afford to lose. I've said that many times, but I'm going to continue to say that. And secondly, kind of looking at the overall market, this is opportunities to buy if you believe in the long term scenario. Like looking at Bitcoin, do you think buying at 35,000 is an opportunity, or do you are you looking at it from the flip side? Do you think that there's too much risk there and kind of pull out? I don't have all my money in the market. I've got money kind of sitting on the side, guys, and kind of waiting to kind of see if there's particular coins and tokens that I want to maybe get into, because when the market is down, it's hard, but that's when you should be buying, right? And right now the overall market is dead. We didn't go look at the news, but I guarantee you there's news out there that is talking about the overall market's crashing and blah 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 blah. So we'll see how it continues to play out. I think that we just got to continue to ride this proverbial storm, and eventually we'll come to land, so to speak. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you later, and drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you later. Bye.